Hi, we're previewing the Graham today. It's 2,684 square feet. It is a Toll Brothers model home, and this version can be turned into a next-gen home, which actually has a mother-in-law casita with its own kitchenette. So I'm looking at this, touring for some sellers. Let's go ahead and take a look. It's a one-story home, 3-car garage, and optionally can have the mother-in-law casita. Nice tall door here. I think that must be an 8-foot door. And then right here as we come in, we're greeted with a wide open area. There's quite a few upgrades in this model that are additional cost, and also some features that the designers have done that are not included. So here we have an office right in the front. You can pause this if you want to see some of the things that are not included, that are upgrades you could pay for, and then some certain things like the ceiling texture over here and here that the designers did that aren't really options. So right here as we come in, this is the mother-in-law casita that could be built separately. So it's got its own entrance, upgraded cabinetry here. I like the kind of rounded smooth edge on those, is kind of a new styling I haven't seen a lot of places. And then the custom painted wall is extra, and tile all the way from the floor to the ceiling is a little extra for this home. So this would be the bedroom for the mother-in-law suite. And then this could actually be turned into a kitchen. This is the Graham as it is from Toll Brothers, but this would be the kitchen area. And it would have its own separate entrance. That's a $30,000 upgrade. The Graham by itself, one second, is $645,000. So you'd be under $7 to actually have a house with a separate casita. Some investors might think about renting that, but that wouldn't go with the HOA. You could probably sneak it by for a little bit. I don't know what you guys think about that textured ceiling, but interesting. I do like this over here with all those can lights. This is really open, and those have got to be 5-foot windows over there. And then the 8-foot tall slider with, it's got the triple door. So both of these doors will stage back, give you a lot of natural light in this kitchen. This is a really long, nice island here. Nice lighting fixtures. And again, that kind of, it's not rounded. It's kind of like, it's got an interesting bevel. I like it. It's soft. It almost makes you think those cabinets are like marshmallows, just kind of soft and rounded the way they are. One thing I like here is this large undermount sink, the single sink. And then they've put the microwave down here. That's actually a convention microwave oven right here underneath the counter, so it's not up and out. And then an additional upgrade they've done that's nice is this pot filler right on the back of the gas range here. And instead of having an oven, they've just got the gas cooktop here and the double oven over here. Nice sized pantry. This is your half bath for guests. The primary bedroom's over here, so the garages would be out here with a big mudroom. And your washer dryer set off here. The cupboards up above would be extra. Large primary room suite. Again, the treatment on the ceiling that the designers have done just for this one. You could do that, but it's not something that's offered. And 8-foot doors, letting a lot of natural light in the back there. That would be an additional upgrade also. His and hers areas to get ready. Large walk-in closet. And private door for the bathroom. They removed the doors on a lot of these model homes just to make it easier to get around. And then this would be an upgrade, this shower with the tile from the floor to the ceiling. Kind of interesting how you turn them on over here, and then you've got the rain head there and the traditional shower head over there too. So, hope you like this one. This Graham actually comes with the option to do the mother-in-law Casita up front, which would be a separate entrance. So if you had an aging family member, there's this office here, but this would be the main front door, and then there'd actually be a separate Casita for this area that would have its own private bathroom, bedroom, and their own kitchen cooking area. Let me know what you think. Thanks, bye.